Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. Today I am going to be doing my February spread for my Happy Planner. I haven't done these in a while that I've videoed, so I thought I would. So generally I use this planner for business, so I keep it pretty simple. But I really liked this Follow Your Heart, but I'm not sure I wanted to cover up that much. And so I was thinking about cutting it down. I don't know, it's slightly terrifying just because I love beautiful stickers, but so I think we're gonna put it right there, and then I'll just cut off the R just a little bit, but it shouldn't be a big deal. So we're gonna do that to start. That was kind of gonna be my, where should I go with this planner, in what direction? So thought I'd go off that, and really that gives me with so much opportunity to do kind of whatever I want still. I picked out a few different stickers that I want to use from the Happy Planner books. I was going to use this one, but I don't think it kind of goes with that, so let me just look and see if there's something else that I could throw right here in my notes. I didn't prior plan that one. So, I don't know. Maybe we could do that. I may leave that till the end and just, see if I can. So I have these, and they are from the Winter Happy Planner, and so I thought maybe we could use the Love, and maybe we'll throw in, I don't know, the XOs or something. I don't want to cover up too much, so maybe let me think about this. Let me think. Because I really need this section. Okay, I know what we're going to do. See this? Hear the cat meow. We're going to put this down here instead of doing a whole length one, and that'll leave me plenty of room to use right there. And then I think these hearts and arrows are super cute, so I'm gonna see what I can do with those. Maybe put them on the week of Valentine's Day just for kicks. Let's see, Tuesday. Put them facing different directions. That's sort of cute. Just adds a little bit. Again, need it to be super functional, so don't want it to do too crazy. And then out of the Spring Happy Planner from last year, I saw these flowers and I thought they'd be cute to add. So I'm going to pull them out. Just because even though it's like February, I need some flowers in my life. Anything that gives me reminders of spring. And they don't ever get old for me. I will use them almost every month of the year. Because why not? Okay. And then I saw these hearts originally, but I don't think I'm going to use them. And then I saw these from the Gold Star quotes from last year, and I just thought it would be fun to use these red hearts if I can get them off. Maybe not. Oh, they're good. There we go. Just add a few reminders of Valentine's Day, because, oh goodness, we can't forget that this month. But man, oh man, the struggle is real to get these ones off. No, let's put it up here. Okay. And then I would like to add some washi tape to the top. I was thinking, but maybe I won't. This one is really cute, but it's too wide. So let's do some thin little hearts across the top just to kind of give it a little, and honestly, you know, wisdom would have had me take this out of my planner ahead of time, but I didn't. So we're going to go with it. It'll be all good. Awesome. Okay, that is my super simple spread for February 2022. Can you believe it's February already? Thanks for watching. It was fun for me to do. I know it's simple. Maybe I'll give you a after the pen type on Instagram or something. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Have a blessed day.